Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to have the different tempos in GarageBand. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application on your mobile phone if you have not already. If you do not have the application, just go to the App Store and download it, and after opening it up you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you can find all the instruments that you can use for recording. We have the audio recorder and so on. So guys, the first thing we want to do to be able to change and use different tempos is go ahead and open up the recording menu. So open up any of the options you have right here. I'm just going to open up audio recorder. It's all going to lead to the same menu, and it's going to open up first this recording menu where, as you can see, we can get started recording, adding our effects and so on. So let's go ahead and take a look at how to use different tempos. So guys, here in the upper right corner we are going to have the settings icon. So guys, after clicking the settings icon right here in the upper right corner, as you can see, it's going to open up this new menu of options, and one of the options is called tempo. So guys, what you can do if you want to change your tempo for different recordings and for the different tracks is go ahead and open up the track and then selecting the tempo, and then you can go ahead and tap to set the tempo, change it to whatever you want. The bass is at 110, and as you can see, this is how it looks. So you can go ahead and change it to whatever you want and get started with using different tempos for your different tracks. Here in the upper left corner you can click the edit menu and find the tracks that you want to edit. So as you can see, you can go ahead and tap on them and click on settings, and here you can go ahead and click to follow the tempo and pitch if you want and so on, and setting all the options that you need. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.